Okay, who are you?
Batman.
What are you gonna do?
Save the world.
How are you gonna do that?
What?
Uh-oh, Batman can't fly.
Stand back.
Stand back.
This is another good news.
Batman, don't hurt yourself.
I just need to try over there. You just have to jump.
But you have your cape on so you can fly.
Yeah, that's why I have my cape on to fly over. Over there. So, let's do this.
Batman did it!
But except I have boogers.
Yeah.
Ready?
You turned into Jakey when you got boogers? Oh, there's Batman again.
Let's try that again.
Okay.